Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Being grateful. A moral story: you must be thankful to the people who help you. The king of the jungle, the lion, was eating his meal when suddenly he began to choke on the bone. He could not breathe. The bone was stuck in his throat. He looked around for help, but there was no one there. A woodpecker was passing by when it saw the lion. It immediately flew towards the lion. "Dear lion, I can save you. But you will have to promise you will not eat me," said the woodpecker. The lion agreed. The woodpecker put a stick between the lion's jaws and removed the bone. The next day, the woodpecker met the lion again and remarked, "You are an extremely ungrateful lion. You did not thank me for helping you. Now you must give me a piece of your meal." The lion replied, "Woodpecker, I left you alive and did not eat you. You must be happy for that." From then on, no one helped the lion again.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.